Today we are making crispy chicken legs, a perfect recipe for anyone who loves that crunchy juicy bite. Hello and welcome to my channel Simple Bites. First, we take a chicken drumstick and then make some deep cuts on them. These cuts help the marination absorb better into the chicken, giving it amazing flavor from the inside out. For the marination, I am using yogurt for tenderness, Tikka masala for that rich, spicy taste, a bit of soya sauce for depth, and to add a little sourness, I have added some vinegar. All the things quantity depend on your drums. Usually, I take a good amount of drumsticks, marinate them well, and freeze them. It's super convenient because you can take them out and fry whenever you want a quick, delicious meal. Once marinated, let the chicken set for at least 30 minutes. The longer you let it marinate, the better the flavor. Now let's prepare the crispy coating. Take some flour in a bowl, add a bit of red chili powder. First coat the marinated chicken well in the flour mixture. Then dip the coated chicken in a cold water and make sure it is fully submerged. Take it out and coat it again in the flour. This double coating tricks makes the chicken extra crispy. While coating the second time, press the chicken slightly so that nice crumbs form on the surface. This is what gives you the real crunchy texture. Now it's time for fry. Heat some oil in a deep pan and carefully place the chicken into the hot oil. Fry on medium heat until golden, crispy, and full cooked inside. After some time, your crispy chicken legs are ready. Super crunchy and full of flavor, just like the classic KFC style. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel Simple Bites for more tasty recipes like this. Thank you so much for watching.